Omo ye I20 Dior.
Okay.
Omo mpaboa no. Omo the fake one no. And the original no beto. And they themselves said on their site say we cannot tell the
which
difference.
One is original?
Just buy from an accredited shop.
That's it.
Because they can't tell the difference.
Almost all the designs.
Because that's it. Hidden marks nina China for Naibi.
Just
they
buy
yes
from an
they
accredited.
said they can't spot the difference. So just buy from an accredited shop.
I see.
If you see then will be like I say, probably Medikal watch or Medikal goods or say a fake. When we say won't you never.
Enti omo say Medikal Rolex no fake no omo boa.
Also mo I don't know who ye.
Omo nim di omo kan.
What the weight doesn't tell say a good and a bad. The weight of what and say a fake and a fake. It is only when I was so I didn't say. Neno kwa uni I had to send a obedi dollar amount. Now I pay even the fake dollar. I was her at the now person
watermark now.
So the best thing say when we be on news come only not so much. Scabi a fake biano a photocopy. Just stand the best row. And I say for white paper, never dollar, never chisel. Green bar a original. Ama a fake.
Green bar say how man say.
On say dollar no, sikano, would cheap paper no so paper near white. Paint green. Say dollar green.
Yeah.
A be show paper no so. A be fast, a be stain.
Yeah.
It's a massa. We say anything. Last 2 weeks, there was shop ana akwabi buy so beto ade. Na amanzi ba ho. Obeyi ade ne to no so or kwaba. Oba late. Oba na me be pon oba be 8. Enu kwa no Medikal suspect no. Oba ye no oba me dollar. To ma misika no. Mi so mu ape. Me ye ni say ya na so mam paper. Na me paper no fast no kwazi scan enye. Enti en kan je no fan ko no kwazi samra. Me delay na kan say no. Me ni change am de be ma because I didn't know turn and kasa 400 Ghana. And one mammy $100.
Tell some money check.
Not somebody like me. I mean, I'm too we are smart. I'm here. I know you're faster. I've been in this game for a long time.
I see. Mamisa way enipa dodo na nyadwen bi se mo niema moye o social media and then now akoto kilt now they are to no a Versace no a Gucci. O se e ka ho na ama pressure aba the young ones so a ebia start here the ancestor mo ye e de pesika yi. E ho no obetimi a kire mu kakra.
A good pass all this has mo yaba.
Na me nim se me de beba.
Me ton ma de. And now the fastest way about my ton de is social media. It's a marketing tool. Intermedia na me share no. Me ton, me advert ama me ho. Intimate ton. Me mo se me fie. Ana me ho. Ana ma DB. Me said I be travel to social media and then I say me the pressure e man crofo. But what I say? Me fie. Na me ko twa me wura me ho, na me video ho nyina, na me fie me cast ho nyina, na me the camera to so, na ma yere nyina. Party crowd o ya about me e be bantin na any problem. And now this so the pressure Emma and crofo. And to be to hey, I want to live like this person. I want to do this. So many times, no, they umba me DM because them papa, we want to be like you. And I'm saying no, you can't be like me because me my home brasier, my butre, me nyami suru, me respect. Unyebi, untimi nsuya. Eduma wo papa ye ya wo de hwe o university no. Se na wo papa yale. Ese ka se ko yesi eduma no fa be hwe na unye obi ja papa me na wu because obi ka se eba jimi brim. And our girlfriend crab because I work so concrete say hey oh papa when you need January but me I was once a truck pusher and I'm a truck and I'm a baby family. I never begged anybody. Me say obi sika da in my life. Me say sika ni fie no me decide say me jai school na ma koche truck. And I'm koche truck no twi no me buade me stro nyame. Nyame stro no Bible say e your son and e page nipa. Yami so no am de so nyame ne soma me som ye me ye akokora bi papa and I am me send am tiwe and to where I say me because when you so ade obisika be do nja obedi and the pressure me don papa me ma pressure me wi am say too fo say me dress in e ofa and I say wo say woman don papa I am a mentor and fa mental sim enka ho because unia ko do abit ma se mental no na mu mafutuo ne enkransense ma me de beto social media no se nyansa wo mu a
Thank you so much. We are still here on Oseebo, aka the fashion influencer. Now I'm coming to ask the next question, but Mamika, thank you to one of my sponsors, Green Select Glucometer, a sponsor here on Showbiz Agenda, and they are saying that if you have to be checking your glucose level in your blood system from time to time, dear Uhia, a Green Select Glucometer, just get one from them at Costless Ventures, because they are the only distributors of the Green Select Glucometer here in Ghana. When you get this device, it is very small. You can put it in your bag, your pocket, or even your wallet, so that anytime you want to check your glucose level, now we're checking who say, hey, what drew her into mendy way, so that you can live long. 5 seconds, you get your results after testing. Promotion is ongoing for just 300 Ghana cedis for the glucometer, and if you get yours at 300 Ghana cedis, they will give you one free box of strips. The bear testing. I know you want one for yourself, for your mother, for your friend, or for your granny. Just call these numbers now to get yours. 050-5727-269, 050-5727-269, or 020-5915-315, 020-5915-315. Green Select Glucometer is a product from Costless Ventures here in Accra at Kolebu, and it is the best glucose monitoring system in town. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA, so no shaking when you get one. Oseebo, yantuas na mimisa se celebrities are influencing them on mobile ideas. Aya omutua oka ana oyene for free there sako there kind of pro bono no aya omutua.
Yeah, omutua.
Enti Mr. Drew say na oba so person check out no o ka kire no obo man no obetua e.
You see onipa bia ese unya business idea. I'm the type bra to use say metan so bra Otina Basso Bram shop. Bese me chow shirt. Me de be chow.
Yena wache bi da.
That is me.
Me share na me share jacket here share me. Oseebo Jacket Productions.
Fans na me the man I say me reverse na me de ma Oseebo.
Sesen.
Senya odia.
Wa boda. Oseebo entwaso.
Make say me call I was a golden African movie or something. Yeah, me present here I would be banana my brown. Or but you know I say, hey, don't papa. You inviting people to your shop, you don't want to invite me, eh? That is me. Me invite you. Bra, me chow de. Okwa, I didn't me dey chow because I do papa and the next time me pay biata. Mami course bo na me nkoto. Me dey no. Enti bebre no me dey chow mu.
Send on besan babeto bi. Na yo mo babeto.
Oh yes. Prince David you say, ono me send pictures. Oh bra panye me ko ba bi o. Community ni dey hin. Send me. Mbese me say. Na ma send me dey ma moto no da ko ba no. Why me mu no da ma dey ama me.
Good. Afe yen hwe ni say Ghana celebrities na nkomo ye nipa bi a omo be hye bibi na dodo na ahwe no masua bi. Ye hwe the general landscape of our celebrities o kromu hana. Omo dress ye Oseebo.
Hey, I go fast maba.
I mean nan nso me de beba.
Ebi nye.
Ebi address ye.
Ebi dress ye.
Chechemu kakra. Time ben na omo dress ye, time ben na omo dress ye.
All right. What can be we to say in France awards night? So, will be our awards night. I saw dress. Once I was celebrating there, who drew up it. I said, will be wow, this is nice. But some maybe I can say, I'm party for the fact say or no yes celebrating no uncle pay stylist be an say obi man me dressing no or no fi said obe she bia no or you no who say there's a tuxedo suit now o say normal tie o say normal set about tie or bra any tuxedo tie Sammy who suit na wa say no and a blazer na kasa a tuxedo about normal tie. It has to be a tuxedo tie. What's a tuxedo? Top, shirt. What about long tie? Mimi who am messing is because you don't know.
Into your celebrities dodo na on red carpet now mo commit sa fashion errors.
Oh baby.
It is a wine.
Me mo be edin.
And you true.
No. Me who ni ma fa. Me so nipa bia wo wiase. Ba me bu nipa. the other year me and them.
Also find you be.
So me froba to kum. Na me catch so in the bay ya. Me from.
Aya sa errors ni bi atimi from about to krom catch rom say minua one share ontare ni ye.
Oh yes. Me timi catch obi a woni ne nam. Ana say obi a oben no pam timi ya conference so oni pa we me hunu ha. But Natal ne nye nti betumi anka bibi o ho no ka won tim free ho.
Okasa aya mo react saying.
Oh so don papa. Ye be yes so dem say ye madwuma. And I mean yes I mu wani ase because I bibia mo ho a adenta me be ka say enti bibi mfiri ho. It's because the boy no nye enti enti mfiri tifiri wa no wanya animonyam na nyame because obi ehu say me kwa na ma ye tifiri ho. Me dey say be so dress good. Me hu say obi address good a. Ye call awards night and then 3 days no Ghana Star Awards no. Guy bi ba ho. Natal no say no fair. Me hu na so wow, this is called fashion. This is nice. Keep it up. Me didn't create to try pictures because Atalena or Seno, which is on one Pam Ataleno. But the way what design are there no? Umpe what the fashion say? Woman said this is good. For the first say what dress is good no. Make I say obi enim say don papa yes into men condemn no. Bonabaso because the Seno fe. Me bo abaso ama obi emu say the Seno fe.
Na Oseebo ma misa question bi adodo na tai bisa o streets so. Say fashion now cause we are share the papa eno ni ebedi
Sammy you see so nam na sa talipa you feel big, you feel good,
very confident,
very comfortable. Me tie matala machine me feel very comfortable. Satale ni nya uko nipa mu na otwetwe ho na do shoe crazy ma shoe no ya say do an kan na to so
check my shoe.
Baby, any class okodun so kwa no so okodun so because obe say people who shoe I was saying but what I say but ali ni nya obe so that now we say you want to
now she's about
want to condemn me shoe and it's hard ya men sorry obe tell how amajun so ado but them pabwa no ye na tale ni ya obe say obe di akoni abasa because so kesi woman go for ehun ya wo say and sometimes obe say oh atalo de anybody me dem intime sika nto say obua unibi unisika na ode beton ana se bi woni ne se dem ye woni abie pa obe satale pa o kra na me se mi gua baby am shoes go a me go shoes bi ho me ka sha manziba me go shoes bi ho en come intime fanche because me turn aboarding e da so good dem me go perfume bi ho na kwa na me ka se no da bia me de begu mu bia na manya code me turn aboarding pa intime fanche e da ho
say what the mama will be no
obey is on your code
I feel because they say and that me pia me use no me de begu atale no with distance na ma say what that atale the best one still ampa is because ne boarding and say bia untimi fa dia ne boarding che ba me won tale bebra me da che nkola na omontimi nche no atale na me se e de kwa adwuma amani wom pa no obi wa no ase no de wo sika
sana wa comedy
me so me che obi ade a me pa de phone de che nipa enti me ya ade a ye
mami sa last one afa me fra me panel members no mo so meka bi kromu ha ye wo nipa dodo bi omo uska za bibi wo mo se mo ti omudin a eze wa sika ni din edin sikafo mo kromu ha omo ntare hyem etisen omo hyentare papa ana omo hyentare papa
so ka so omo hyentare papa the American say yes because uske ni bia uske bia no etiska to ade ane board atalia onwene ho after all okra no ene ye eduan this canaba
okay
that time ma okra no sha atale pa but as in how to do the combination that is the problem also fan say oh I do me turn aboarding oh my to Ferragamo shoe very expensive my to Armani watch my to we my make kensi so ono de unu say niam wato nyina ne boarding but how to do
combination
ade no ena me yu say akwai yesa akwai Wisconsin na ni mie but we do niska wo na so hwa na ni bie papa entam pen for trans osigani okosro ba form nya na fani play mani ndo sikani ne girlfriend play mani beje no o man kapre nso de dress beje no
Zara man in the studio, aka Oseebo. Now I'm going straight to my panel members. Maybe they have one or two questions to him as well. Bengai Imports, they are also sponsors here on Showbiz Agenda. Bengai Imports, they are a leading shipping company in Ghana. They are organizing an online importation course for people who want to import goods for themselves or for their businesses. Now, if you want to do this, remember you're going to learn the following. You're going to learn how to find suppliers for any product you want to import, negotiate with the suppliers for good prices, pay your suppliers by yourself, and finally ship your goods to Ghana. All of these and many more for just 200 Ghana cedis. You're going to learn this and many more for just 200 Ghana cedis. Now, you should know that you'll be taught how to import goods from China, UK, Turkey, and a lot more countries. You want to register, right? You have to call Bengai Imports today on 054 5160 915. 054 5160 915, or better still, you can also follow them on all their social media handles, especially on Instagram. That is Bengai Import for more details. Bengai Imports, importation made easy in Ghana. Kofi Asamoah, question contribution to Oseebo the Zara man.
Yeah, Brasame, that's it. My name is Oseebo Bank and the man dress is Monsieur Jalabia. Jalabia, the problem be any. Next time, you know, your back program, so I am you who pay. If I no point, oh, send a message and I will bash you. I was asking you something to an ass or person. Oh, Baby, and you did ask me that you. I saw be Ocassin in my hammer was as yes, and Timmy, because oh, you know, about teacher, maybe bet 18 cities.
And yes, she also abo. Now, oh, ye, no pop, but I'm sure papa. Oh, you need papa no kuamuno. Don't papa, Miss Ropa. Oh, you need papa no kuamuno. Program keken, me a panel keken. Oh, you need papa no kuala, me ham and papa. Me diagra. And then we now better from Akufi. And I would say, when you know, rough. I would say when you are not, as a matter of fact, I'll be on Facebook. I say, please kindly ask him how he sees Kofi's dressing today.
Many new program subscribe you. I say when you are you are an authority in something. Also, oh, Kasa, you know what you are talking about.
Exactly.
And listening to him, he know, and yes, on to say, he knows what he say. He understands where he is. What I say, and plus, I mean, dressing and fashion are two different things. Obu and tadia pa, but only fashion sense. Obu is kind of a tadia, but sir, fashion and to say, and then will be say, oh. He dresses well. He dresses well, but he's not fashionable. They are two different things. The fact that you dress well, everybody is well dressed, but you looking fashionable. Being fashionable or understanding fashion is something unconventional. Sometimes you create what you combine. In no matter what to know how to. Colors and how you look. That's I mean, some question say, that's I mean, sometimes how you look can lead you to where the money is. It can put food on your table. Or we bet me out dress and say, I want to send you address there, make me like a business way. Sometimes you go for a meeting or you're meeting someone talk about money. Perfume kwe gu nipa no almost kaketwa. When said that or her watch a bow now, I said, akoi. That's I mean, penny be me watch be. Pierre Cardin watch be. And me ko sa watching soon we move to the stairs say baby I miss me boko. But what I say me white shirts be me meetings are me seko me perfume be where you take it. And the worker say you can fashion perfume in fashion. They do a best studio na sentinel studio had the enquire the same model hwini mo mo say we need cap your mother but some one dem channel and some of these things no you buy it very expensive, but when you say one pair, you soon rough. And it gives you some enough. But I make a top Versace boxes, $45. Now, me a metono, me dream I made the bus this more. To say me top box I know 300 and something. But I mean, me so bien, but me kasa in me no. I'm just looking for an opportunity to be busy. I was saying,
I'm out for who boxer shots and shell kicking.
Yes.
Well, right to be that.
And one kasa osha, you feel good, like there's something in you. Like one person, but I know Gucci. You know, I think 3 or 4 years ago, Gucci for brand be GUCCY. No, it was a Gucci. I'm more years I'll Gucci. You know, now me call New York and me go Toby. That's me. Now friend about me sempa when I'm there snap obi say, hey Kumasi Gucci.
I'm confirm. Musa must say fake.
That's me. What's over $400 at Tom Pabwa? Eh, and I'm say, what we say, Kumasi Gucci, I feel my confirm. I don't know, read. It wasn't like one person who, hey, which Gucci is this? Which Gucci? What's I feel I'm a sample one crime because they don't understand.
Yes.
Fellows, oh yeah, the fashion.
Kofi, my question is: Oseebo being a positive influence to fashion in our industry?
I think until now we didn't have anybody who was representing fashion, and he's doing just that. Other countries say, "Obu has or patadia shako baby or sites and now or be profile page or say okay me kwa awards man me kwa kind of atadia make me shako awards event and there Oseebo
is representing that.
It's representing say bia me kwa party and I me kwa make me call Oseebo page akore say okay ma me hwe kala and bia me wo bia black sauce me kwa hwe combinations Oseebo
the black sauce
and what I want to tell Oseebo is he should streamline these things and create full content out of it. Say, Oseebo content structure be okay, and then today I'm going to give you maybe 15 ways or 5 ways to wear a blue jeans. So in that video, when I'm watching, I know maybe you have a plain white shirt at home, or send a fee, or creative ways you can wear that white shirt to a party. And I be our jeans be I feel say esu into a good them. How you can, he should make these things content that will be available. When you say me course about page, it's not just going to be on another personal picture posted, but I can learn this education about can they say tuxedo.
Yeah.
If it is in a video, maybe I was maybe 5 ways people wear suits wrongly, and 5 sets to wear under so and so on. On a content form, whether it's going to be a TikTok channel or a YouTube channel or Instagram, you can say
page.
IGTV or real, your proper content, your about page why. Yeah, but video in him so okay. I did when you show saying it. I did when you say.
Thank you.
I did when you say.
Thank you. Adam Mensah, gentlemen, continue.
Well, I think Oseebo has been, he has done something which I like. He's been able to throw the spotlight on himself, unlike the earlier when he came in, people were trying to, point to him through someone. Anytime people want to write about Oseebo or talk about Oseebo, and you can see he's a man with a purpose. He's been able to kill that and put the spotlight on him. If someone is like this, you should fear him because it means he's very tactical, and I think he needs to continue. Like Kofi said, he needs to put out some content in order to show people. He can even add like a tour to it, like going to the universities, going to some senior high schools. Yeah, a master class.
I see.
I have some master class in the schools, various tertiary institutions, because it needs to. Oh, not tertiary. Chale dressing a course.
Let me pass some crime. Some degree. Man, on catch them. Skate.
Now what dressing here? It's not about skirts. It's about other forms of dressing. When he was speaking, he talked about some wrongs
people do in fashion.
Level of combination, one calculations and other things. So he can start some of these things as a master class and other things. So I want to see him going into more of these things. And you know, with what he's doing, I think it will go a long way to positively impact, you know, fashion in the country. He has built an excitement and aura around. So I want to say thumbs up to Oseebo, big ups to him. Nenyo man so de me di ho dance correct. Pa bet me
aya oche obi so.
Correct. Now dem Oseebo de.
Ya de on chebe ba you know, skilled.
Thank you, Adam.
Listen, we will fashion adwin bia.
Oh, tie de obeka.
Tanko.
Tie de obeka. Nana ya yenko.
Nana me can the fashion you know for.
Nana kose mwano.
Unse kind of saying. You say dress the way you want to be addressed. Which means that fashion is very, very, very important. It's very key. Now Edem Kase on your masterclass now say, hey, Nkolanam Kobo degree no. Utimiko interview as a graduate from school, the way you dress to sit at the
a bit disqualified.
Yeah, we disqualify you.
And
sometimes you dress and you sit down and the HR will look at you and go like, okay, you better know what didn't come on going forward. So fashion is very important. I admire his confidence. Because fashion there, when I was at Adiano and I feel comfortable and I would rock at Adiano. There are those who wear dresses, clothes wear them. They don't wear clothes. The same dress now, what should you see now? Maybe kwasha and now fed down. Because the dress is the shirt and the shorts is wearing me. I'm not rocking it. One difference. Yeah. So he is able to rock the dresses or the combinations that he does. And he understands he understands the ins and outs of what he's doing, which is very important. He knows that this is how I can monetize my business. There are a lot of boutiques, a lot of fashion influencers, there are a lot of people who style, but they don't go the extra mile to find ways and means to monetize what they do. He has a way. He was able to not listen to anybody and stick to his trend agenda. Now he's building more avenues or revenue outlets from it. So I think it's a fantastic thing.
Good.
And we hope so. I don't want him to deter from the direction that he's going when he begins to monetize the platform. I mean, the advices are all good, content creation, master classes, but what about those of us who also like Oseebo for showing who he is? If you can find a balance with it, I think it will be very well.
Thank you, Nana. Yeah, really do. And Richmond, Mofat Sapon will be the final person to speak on this. Yes, boss.
Wait a quick one. Let me use your platform that I think Nyaoye and what he's doing is very good. And I would like say 247 will sponsor the Fela Show. You know the Fela Show. The Fela Show is a hottest show.
Marketing executive. Akori.
So it's not a bad idea. On behalf of Fela, I say come on board. I mean, it's a very good way. Oh, watching.
I don't know on styling Medikal. I'm not Fela.
Oh, sending na kahun. You know, oba Fela. Oba
Medikal show.
Then I mischievousness. So then
I response for my oba ni nukum. I do food here.
Se Medikal nya or the ba. Ntiensu nya ye de ko. The same thing. I think so. I'm very passionate about young people and how our sense of fashion there here, and he's really led a very good drive. In fact, on start here, people were not understanding, and we have some idea if it's good and you keep pursuing, people come to understand that we are rather wrong. In fact, all those people have come to realize that he understands fashion and he sets the trend for all of us to follow. So I think it's a step in the right direction. Fela show today a very, very good show. So I mean, these are my final words. I think Madame Diana, UK. In fact, only big shop was her P&G Afro Caribbean shop. Gatton, Manchester, and then a birthday. Inti me ba coupe me amin lo me wishing a happy birthday. Kese ba coupa inti you be do UK and Chibia na ya kwako wishing
nice. Thank you. Now we are wrapping up. Amanziba summary na yempong.
If we say something along the submission, what's happening is that Yes, we have content all
I'm not hearing you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
I said we've cataloged all those things and we put it together. Very soon we are hitting TV. Very soon we are hitting TV with that content, with such content. So basically the university caucus, the fashion,
industry
to also have a feel of the brand Oseebo, what we are putting out on the Ghanaian market as well.
Thank you so much. Now finally, Oseebo, what are you telling those who are following you, those who are picking one or two lessons from what you do, especially in the fashion industry? What are you telling them?
Okay, the Makacho man say mental me wa me shaya na anoding. And then I wouldn't like to. Yes.
Don't try this at home.
Me no masome daye and I may ye the daye no extreme.
Okay.
Obe say usuen bibi wo mwa. Me mfa me mental na me shana anoding no. For the nice ones now we say we dey wo sa ye beka say nice but in do watem because e bia na wanya sa akukuduru no amfa nyina te se me. Where we will be the attempt, but me would matem go and family because me ye. Into no me advise you say obia in nili name na undressy no ka say me follow Oseebo no we and I me pick ye. Say even the dressing cry ni nyansa sem anansem bia oka me pick ba ko afrim. If you say and say we don't judge the book by its cover. Me say unim me now who social media now me da now share mentality ma we condemn credit matem. But when you get close to me, put me say nyansa nyame ma me be kenyansa sem actual. Number 2 move so say omo hwe the way I nim painful akasa.
Good.
Obi anye edumaden. Afi no don't try say obi ti say kosi wa bra oye yaw. De kosi ewo no eye kosi dia. Yaw odia wo no eye wo de. Ebi kwa na future no erade be ma wa ye kese asne kosi. Nti ade na wo to wo de na to atwene akohu kosi dia ana yaw de na okuta sisi ano. Ade nta wo pesa wo ye yaw. Wa bra wo future eye more bigger than and brighter than yaw. Nti obi ani nlemu no mo mpa ye se erade ebebo no ho ban na de odi sene ni su bi a wo ye bia no obeye ni ani bre emfiri ya bra bom na su atra no ya na e hard.
See, so obi o person contact Oseebo no okwan be no mo fa so
IG Oseebo the Zara man.
Okay.
Yeah, Oseebo the Zara man. And I Oseebo the Zara man collection.
Okay.
And Twitter so Oseebo the Zara man. Facebook so Oseebo the Zara man. And I shop on North Kaneshie opposite the former Barclays Bank.
Okay.
The contact is 054 54 17755. 054 54 17755. 0264 2644 36.
Thank you so much, Oseebo the Zara man. And today we have learned some 1 or 2 lessons from the fashion influencer Oseebo.